Okay, let's continue material editor and we're going to the environment. The environment is actually a virtual reflection on the object. For example, in this scene, if you have interactive render, you can see we have an object that if you go to the reflectance and add a simple JJX, now you can see, oh, you have to drag and drop the material to the object, and you can see the environment because of the physical sky is completely mm, uh, it's completely it's reflect on object. But if you want to add another reflection that it's not exists in environment, that you want to project on a object, you can use environment. Activate environment, and then in the settings, you have to give a texture to that. The texture that you want to project on the object and create a virtual or not real reflection because it's not actually exist in the environment. You can load an image. You can load an HDR image or any image that you want. Okay, I insert a simple image, something like this, but you cannot see that. You have to do something because in a reflectance, we have 100% reflection on this object. You can come first change attenuation to, for example, additive, and now you can see we are a reflection on the object. Or you can, for example, change the power of level layer number 1, and now you can see we have virtual reflection because of that image on the object and it's not real. If you turn off the, or you can, for example, completely remove that object. You can see it's uh, our image is just a planar image. If you want to project better on object, you have to use 360 images on your object or HDR. You can see we are physical object, but it's a fake reflection on the around the object. These trees are not really at around the object, just it's fake. You can mix mode to other layers beneath that, and you can change the maximum strength of mixing them. And here you can change the tile, for example, 2 of them, 3 of them, any tile that you want. It's tiling the mapping of this object. And another interesting and important option here is exclusive. Look at this image. In this image, you can see we have a sphere that a torus is around it. And the torus is it's in a reflection and you can see it. And we have a virtual image like the environment and tree, and it's a reflect on whole object. But a problem occur here. This image is without exclusive. If you use virtual reflection, it means it's reflect from the environment, and you can see this is outside of the torus environment, and the environment in a real world couldn't pass the torus, and you cannot see the reflection of the environment because the torus is in between them, between the environment and the object. So it's unreal and bad. But if you activate exclude, it delete the environment from here and makes it real. It means the virtual environment map, environment reflection couldn't pass this object is torus, and you can see just the torus reflection, and at the back of that you can see the reflection of the environment. Because the environment is a virtual reflection, this maybe happen on your object. It's automatically ticked, and you don't worry, you can use it and everything is done. So this is environment. You can make it a normal, and because if you go to the reflectance, just we have a diffuser here. Okay, that's it. It's very normal. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.